Now, let me show you how to use it. The main body should have been recharged first. 1. Connect the main body with the beam probe. 2. Adjust and adhere the medical double-sided tape on the hole. 3. While standing straight, attach the first light probe on the stomach by a 2-finger width down from the belly button. 4. Attach another light probe, again, a 2-finger width down from the first light probe. 5. Turn on the switch, then the visible light emits for 20 minutes. Use for 20 minutes a day. A week before the period for 5 days. The pain will be cured after 3 months on average. 1 or 2 times of use a day is also beneficial. Use immediately in case of the menstrual irregularity and stop the treatment when the period starts. Tiny, but strong and smart. Women stress-free. 20 minutes a day for a week. With Women Stress-Free, start your D-Day nice and comfortable.